welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day number 92. This was the events that occurred on Wednesday, November 30th, the last day of the month. So I did some surplus funds cases in the morning. I did my exercise. I did 30 minutes total with a 5-minute jog a little bit later because I had to take Becky to school. And I got a little bit late, but I got on the treadmill, did 30 minutes walking and 5-minute jog. Then I had some solar leads calls, calling some business opportunity seekers, went really well. I had worked on ACA. ACA hasn't been really good lately. I've been getting upset because a lot of the calls are not, real sales calls, and then there's an expectation, which I don't agree and I don't like, that I'm supposed to handle customer service calls, and they have no intention of enrolling, and that's not. I have an issue with that because I could spend 45 minutes on the call with someone talking about a particular plan when they have no intention of enrolling, and I don't want to waste my time like that. I want to dispose of that customer as quickly as possible. So that's an issue because I don't get paid by the hour. I get paid by the enrollment. So the person wasting my time has no intention from the very beginning of enrolling with me. It's not really cool. So I had to been really thinking about this. Like, do I really want to do this? Because I've got so many other things going on. I've got the solar business, and I've got the Remote Wellness Academy, and really might be just too much. So so for the day 92, I was really I was getting pretty upset about about this. And then I had somebody they almost came out and insinuated that I had signed them up. They left a voicemail that I had signed them up. Their husband had went out of work and they needed insurance for December and January. Now January's fine, but it's the last day of the month, and they're saying that I don't remember these people at all, and they have my name and extension, and it's just like I can't remember and I can't keep up with it. And there's the whole system is kind of like I was like, I'm not handling this. I'm not doing this. I told them that I'm not doing this. I'm not. It's the person. It's not going to be me calling this person back. So and that's borderline they probably want to get rid of me. But they also need people who are licensed agents. So I have a little bit of latitude, but I'm not. I'm not going to put myself out there for something like that. They don't have a good system to record and manage these people, and people are calling back, and I'm not getting paid for it, so I'm not going to put myself out there for that. This is not going to happen. I'll talk more about that because I have to make another video right after this and tell you the rest of that. So after that, I did my very first coaching call practice with another RWA student. Went very well. They're long. It's about 2 hours. An hour. I'm doing an hour for her. She's doing an hour for me. Maybe a little less. We cut it down a little less, but it went really well. And we're trying to get this, get through this process as quickly as possible. The issue is that when we're at the stage that we're at, there's only like a new student coming through this at that point every 5 or 6 days. So sometimes you have to wait, and you have to wait for somebody who's at the same step that you're at before you can continue, and you have to both link up, and this is a major exercise that requires preparation in advance, and takes time to do it, and then to do the after action, uploading the video and commenting and all that. It's a lot, but it's necessary to go through this. So me and her, we both wanted to get this done, so we're doing 3 sessions within 4 days, so that's a lot. So did the first call on Wednesday. And then I had worked with Jane on the solar. We addressed some coordination issues. I made a video for her, getting helping with the business and the prospects and customers and trying to really take care of that. And I was really really tired after that day because it was a long day. And it was so good day but long day. Not so good with the ACA, and but otherwise, been very busy. So I will talk to you again